Hey, it's Dom, and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, kamusta kayo? I hope you're all doing well. And yep, nasa car tayo ngayon. Papunta kami kila Sis Jayan. Mag-chill kami doon and doon din kami mag-sleep over. But, we're running some errands bago kami pumunta doon. So, pumunta na ako ng bulk barn to buy some ingredients kasi magbe-bake kami ng chocolate crinkles mamaya. Tuturuan ko si Sis Jayan. And then, papunta kami ng Chinese supermarket ngayon kasi bibili lang kami nung lulutuin namin later. Ayun. So, samahan nyo kami guys. Nandito kami sa labas ng Foodie World right now. Hindi na kami sumama nila Ate Andrea and nila Adelaide kasi sleeping si Adelaide right now. She's taking her nap at this moment. Late na nga yung nap time niya, but it's okay. Para mamaya pagdating namin kila Sis Jayan, may energy siya. So, bumibili lang si Daddy Alvin nung lulutuin namin. Tapos yung lulutuin pa niya na additional food later. And then, mag-Tim Hortons siguro kami kasi hindi pa ako uminom ng kape. I need coffee, guys. Okay naman ang weather right now. But, ano siya, yung anong tawag dito, basa siya sa labas kasi umulan kanina. And, umaambon pa siya ng konti. But, yeah, okay lang kasi doon naman kami sa apartment nila Sis Jayan. And we're excited with the Bactol family. Right, ate? Yeah. See you, Kaya girl! Hi guys, dito na kami kay Sis Jayan. Hi sis! Adelaide!
Ano ba mama ko, mami?
Lahat tawag na sa akin. Hi, Kaya girl! Say hi, Ninang! Say hi! Hi, ate! Are you guys having fun? Hi, ate! Hi, Kaya! What are you guys doing? Oh, you're playing puzzle. Can you say hi, Ninang? Say hi! Hi, ate!
Hi.
There's the boys on the kitchen.
There's the chef.
The chef and the assistant chef.
Sous chef. Assistant chef.
Hi, babe. Daddy. Say hi. Babe.
Come over soon so you teach me how to cook your
Babe,
fried
look at the
rice,
camera.
okay? Oh, maybe tomorrow.
Right.
They're cooking. Yeah, we're gonna do it later. Hi, Adelaide.
Go play.
Babe, say hi.
Need any utensils?
Here's Sis Jayan's plan. Ang ganda, diba? Sabi ko, wag na niya ako bigyan kasi namatay yung binigay niya last time.
What color do you have? I have one color.
Ate Andrea, Kaya painting. Nakikigulo si Adelaide.
Color.
What color is that, Kaya?
It's yellow.
Yellow.
I want to do it too.
You wanna join?
Mommy, I want to do it. You show you really have to shake. Andrea, what is 6'7"?
I know, what's the trend with that? Sabi niya, Mommy, can you say it? What's that?
No! Yes, I love it. Wait. Yeah.
Guys, this is my personal chef.
Alright, just put it in the oven.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Wow, you're so good. Can you tell me your secret?
You, just say you.
That's why...
You never lose weight. Tell it, tell it.
No, it's okay.
Tell it.
We want to know what's your secret.
That's why I never lose weight.
Filipino, that's why. Good cook. I just cook.
Hi, Kaya. Hi, Ate.
What are you gonna fry?
Hi, Adelaide. 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 Hi.
Chicken wings? Oh, you do air fry, eh? Fry. I do the boiling oil.
Yeah, I don't like the oil.
Bakit?
I'm scared of oil.
Oh.
Yes.
What does she mean?
Who anak ko?
What?
Hindi naman tatalsik yun.
No, you didn't.
Oh, please. Oops. Can you do it?
Okay, one. Na, tanggalin mo nga muna.
Bakit? Ako lang, magsaslide na siya.
Okay, go.
Slide mo muna. Ah.
Go.
1, 2.
Nakatatakot ako. Parang ang taas pala dito.
I know, kaya
Ate Kaya and Adelaide, Ate Andrea is coming soon.
yeah, yours is coming.
Hi Kaya, are you eating dinner?
Good job.
Dito ka, gusto mo dito siya si Andrea, tabi sila sis.
Sarap mo ko.
Look, they like sauce.
Now, Ate is here.
So picky.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Sige mo kayo, Doc.
Ito naman, huwag mong ipahiya yung anak mo.
You want more? Here. Thank you. Here, I give you one, okay? She loves it. That's why she eats it. Oh, here, anak.
That's her favorite, broccoli.
She's gonna be so strong and Kaya too, right? So strong. I'll get you guys one. Chicken. Who wants chicken?
No, Docky. Look.
Me.
Chicken, anak. Ay, anak ko na kayo lahat.
She won.
Okay, I'll give you. She likes chicken too, sis? I
Yes.
cut it small, okay?
She likes
There,
it, sis.
there. Chicken. Crispy chicken.
Naiinganyo siya kasi may kasama eh.
Ito, anak ko.
Nakakatuwa sila panoorin. Spaghetti. Ano tawag dito?
Boppies.
Boppies sisig. Chicken.
Bili-bili yan.
And then yung niluluto. Hi, Adelaide. Adelaide, look at mommy. Eh, smiling ka ah. Hi, Kaya.
I saw it don't fall.
Andrea, get me ng Jane's towel.
So we don't.
Yep, Kaya and Adelaide, pajama mode. Go, Kaya. Slide.
Mommy,
Yeah, go for it. anak.
can you hold me?
Ay, Kaya, you got it.
Oh, good job. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Sorry, Adelaide, you needed help for that one. I don't care, she's eating.
I take it off. Mommy.
Oh, is he doing the dishes? I don't know. No. You don't have to do the dishes. No, I just was the checking for this. Alright.
Oh, I'm gonna put it in the freezer.
Oh, that's what I thought.
Oh,
You want to try one? Okay, maybe. I'm gonna find it perfect.
This is the door
Oh, that's the door?
with room. And
good.
this is the room.
You try it.
That's right.
We have pork belly with sausawan and
yummy.
fruit on the side.
so good.
We're baking crinkles by Kaya and Ate Andrea. Washing hands.
Yes, me.
So sweet daw.
That was me.
You like it? Kaya, you like it? Hi, sis.
Hi, sis.
We're cooking.
Fishball. Kikiam.
Wow. And may batang makulit sa gilid niya. This is the boys. They're drinking.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, pare.
And Ate and Kaya. Hi. sprinkles is done. Wow, it's nice. It looks yummy. Show the girls. Movie night and sleepover. Ayan, nakauwi na kami from Sis Jian kanina pang mga lunchtime. So, ngayon magdi-dinner na. Papunta naman kami sa Ajax, sa side ko. Mag-get together kami and kakain for dinner. Kasi matagal-tagal na rin kaming hindi nagkikita ulit and nagbabanding. So, samahan niyo ako, guys! Hi, guys! Nandito na kami sa Ajax. Say hi!
Hello.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hi, vlog. Say hi, vlog.
Say hi!
6, 7.
Maganda dito sa bahay nila, kuya, is Christmas na. So, ito yung decoration nila. This is my favorite spot. Yung mirror. Merry. Just Merry. Merry Christmas. And then, ito yung Christmas tree nila, kuya, guys. From top to bottom. Yeah. Ang ganda, diba? Hi, Dad! Hi, Adelaide! Hi, Lola! Lo! Ako naririnig mo, Lola. Hi! Hi, Andrea! Yes, Olabanji po family is here. Hi, Tujeka! Hi, sis! Hi guys, meron kaming mango. Ano to, ma? Dinuguan. Dinuguan. Pansit. We have shrimp and some chicken. And of course, we have Mang Tomas. My brother. Hi, Anaya! Hi, Anaya! Hi, Georgie!
Tinungan niyo si Mami, wala si ate, ha?
Hi, Georgie!
Oh, yung pinalayas niya ay ni kuya mo. Grabe.
Yeah, that's
Asan niya si ate?
and perfume.
I know, but don't spray on me.
Oh. Hi guys, sis Jacka. Hi guys. Amen.
Get your plate, get your own ano.
Yun yung
Sabi ko sa'yo, masarap din. Tikman niyo yung salad ni Daddy. Alvin, kain na si Lolo na dyan.
Ano si Lolo?
O, kumain siya eh. Mamaya magpapansit ka, tsaka yung mainit na ba to? O gusto mo kumain pa?
Mari.
Okay, titingnan natin sa camera. Sino pinakabawa?
There's a water
Titingnan natin sa camera kung sino pinakamaraming sinasando. Ay, why you talking out?
Mari, what do you want? Go to Daddy.
Later.
Ay, ano yan? Mabagsak. What do you want? Plain?
Hi guys, I have pansit, mango salad, and chicken. Kain tayo guys. Hi Amari! Hi Atina! Hi Anaya! Ate Andrea! Si Andre!
Hello.
Ayan guys, so tapos na tayong mag-dinner. So sa mga kinain ko, ang favorite ko for tonight is yung chicken. But I really like the shrimp also. So hindi na ako kumain ng shrimp ngayong dinner kasi kumain na ako kanina sa bahay ng shrimp. So I like the chicken.